What's up traders, hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So as per my yesterday's video, I've clearly mentioned that if we have a report more than expected, then the price will likely push low, and as you can see the report came more than expected right here from the forecast. And what happens if the report is more than expected? It implies a weaker demand and bearish for natural gas, and now right here you might see some reaction out of this report and price might push down even further. Now very important, I'm gonna give you a very simple condition from here. Now at this point for the next entry, I would like to see a complete break and close below these wicks, and if we have a condition here like a bullish engulfer, let's say the price don't make it to my rejection box but form a bullish engulfers or double bottom below this area, in that case that is also one of my valid entry condition. But for a very strong entry, if you are a less aggressive trader, for a very strong and very good entry, this rejection box is my area to take my next trade, and that will complete a full double bottom pattern. Candle is not allowed to close below this purple box. Wick is allowed to go, but body is not allowed to go. If body has gone below, in that case I will start to look for another bullish entry region within this green area, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Now I will still go for my little scalp of bearish trades only if we have broken below this low and we have no entry condition for buy and price forms a pullback with a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA. In that case I'm still gonna go short, but if I see an entry condition for a bullish first, which I've just mentioned, I will go long. So very simple and very easy. Look for this condition. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long or short. So I'm going to give you a very quick heads up here as well, because as you can see, also getting a kind of a double bottom pattern, which is right here. If you see now, this time if you remember, we took one trade here with this double bottom right here, and with this candle the price pushed up. Now as the price just made a new high out of the rejection box, which is right here, so I'm going to use this wick as a double bottom, and then if the price come back in this rejection box right here and forms 382 candles or a bullish engulfing candle, in that case that will be a valid double bottom as well. But again, a weak signal, just a bounce, and then the price might come back. We will use the same condition in this green zone to take our next trades, which I've just mentioned. Now if the push up is strong enough above this box, only then we have a possible signal that price will reverse from here. And same condition we are getting here on NEMEX as well. A bullish engulfer might spike a bit and then a possible push down, but that will be aggressive and a risky entry. But it's totally up to you if you want to use a low risk. Long term we are still bullish because I'm still looking at daily time frame. If I see a push down and a fall to my rejection box on daily time frame, which is something like this, in that case we will have a valid double bottom, a major double bottom pattern. And if the weekly candle closed as a bullish candle or a green candle right here, if that happens, in that case we will also have a valid bullish pattern. So keep looking for that, wait and see how the price closes and how the price forms a condition which I've just mentioned. Here on capital.com, if you are trading on this platform, looking at the bearish report, I'm still expecting a price to push down further, and if broken below this low, so I want to see a push down. If we have a pullback bearish engulfer, I'm still gonna go short till we are in this zone right here, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video, which is right here. For my double bottom trade, I'll still have this rejection box ready if we have a massive push down and a push up. But if I see a condition on Oanda, I will still take my long or short trade. Wherever I see a condition, I will take my trade. For now, I can see a bearish pressure. Looking at the bearish report, we can expect a price to possibly push down, and double bottoms will be a good entry condition if we get that. Here on NEMEX, exactly the same. Look for the conditions I've just mentioned. If we have a push down below this low, if we have a pullback and a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, in that case I'm still going to go short till this rejection box, or once we hit this green zone, in that case if we have a bullish engulfing pattern, in that case we will have a valid buy signal from this green zone. So wait patiently. That is how the trading should be. Without condition we are just gambling, not trading. Next one, we have gold. All I want to see a breakout above with the close of this candle. If we have a close of this candle, that is an entry, aggressive entry from this flag at pattern, and then stop loss can be below this pattern if you want to take this as an entry. Or the take profit can be 1 ATR or 2 ATR, is totally up to you. We are now in a process of a big pullback. Now at this point, if I see a small red candle and a bigger green candle above 50 EMA, in that case we are good to go long. So if one candle closes below 50 EMA and the next candle closes back above 50 EMA, which is a bullish green candle, in that case we will have a valid buy signal, and I will use 1 ATR for my target. Now as you can see, the break of this bullish flag pattern has also pushed up 1 ATR, which is $9, and if you see from here, the price pushed up $34. That is a massive push up. So that is already mentioned in my yesterday's video. That break above will be itself an entry. Stop loss can be below the EMAs and take profit 1 ATR initially, and that is how that has happened. So we'll wait for that. Once we have a condition I've just mentioned, which is a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, we are good to go long. Next we have a silver. If we have a dramatic push up, a zone above, which is right here, 25.47, that goes to 26.04, from where we're going to look for a sell trade with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish for my next trade. Nicely pushed down from my level of resistance that has been sent to my members, mentioned in my YouTube videos, with a bearish engulfing condition, aggressive entry. If you are my student, you know what entry is that. If you are my MMTA full course student, all the rules are met, and that nicely hit your take profit. And what next? We are now in a level of major support right here, from where we are now looking for a valid condition. Now no need to get alarmed that we are below 50 EMA. That is totally fine. Because we are taking a trend continuation bullish trade. So this is the zone 24.26 that goes to 24.66. Prices now hit this level of trend continuation zone. I want to see a red and a bigger green candle. If we have that, we have a valid buy signal, and price will likely push up at least 1 ATR. So either a bullish engulfer, or if we have a push down without a condition, if we have a condition like double bottom, in that case we'll have a valid buy signal. So I will look for double bottoms on 1 hour as well. If you have a condition on 1 hour or 4 hour for double bottoms, I will go long. Otherwise, aggressive entry with a bullish engulfer, less aggressive entry will be double bottoms. This is an area from where now I want to see a next buy condition and a possible bounce out of this area. So wait for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Lastly, we have a crude oil. Now we have no condition, but we are now in a process of a pullback. Now we can possibly get a condition here. If next candle closed as a bullish engulfer, only then in this condition we will have a valid buy entry, a pullback entry bullish. If we have no condition, then I will use this zone, which is 78.06, that goes up to 79.97. If we have no condition here, in that case I want to see a bullish engulfing pattern within this area of value, or I want to see a double bottom pattern within this area of value to take my long trade. So if we have a bullish engulfer here, we can go long. 1 ATR will be my target, and you can manage it till this recent high if you want to. Otherwise, this green zone will be my next buy area to take my next aggressive entry or double bottom entries out of. That's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.